Processing AP bills. We're going to create an AP bill in the system for an invoice received from a supplier. To complete this process, we'll first create an AP bill for the supplier, release it, and then review the GL batch generated by the system. To begin with, go to the Payables workspace and open the Bills and Adjustments form. Click the New Record icon. In the Type field, make sure Bill is selected. By default, the Date field displays the current date and the Post Period field displays the financial year ID. You can change the date to match your requirements. In this example, we will keep the current date. Next, let's select the supplier for whom you need to create the bill. If required, you can change the location and terms fields as per your requirements. In this example, we will keep the default information. Let's uncheck the Pay by Line checkbox, since we will add only one detail line to this bill. Add a description. Now, save your bill. On the Details tab, add a new row. In the Added row, the branch will be selected by default. You can change it by clicking the search icon in the Branch field. Add the transaction description and specify the cost of the product in the Extended Cost field. Once again, save the bill. Now, let's release the bill. To do so, click the Remove Hold button. Note that you can release the bill only if it has the balanced status. Now, click the Release button. As you can see from the pop-up, we have successfully created and released an AP bill. You can review the GL batch generated on the release of the bill by going to the Financial tab and clicking the link in the Batch Number column. On the Journal Transactions GL 301000 form, review the transactions generated on the release of the bill.